Well, that didn't take long. Got another train on the way. Stack train coming around the curve, heading westbound. As the Union Pacific coach cars pass him. Well, catch him hitting the diamond here. Lucked out. We might have a YN2 on this one. Go, and there he goes, heading westbound towards Rose Lake. Got some horns going. Might be one on the Effingham division over here, one that goes over to Newton. All right guys, stay tuned, we'll have more to come.